Hi there, I'm at the stage officially where I get excited about products like vacuums and mops for my house. And this mop I just wanted to hop on and show you is awesome. It's really easy to assemble. It was 3 really quick clips. There's an adjustable thing right here where you can make it shorter, taller, however to your height that you'd like. It's microfiber, so it attracts dust. It attracts the molecules right in, so it's really easy to use. You'll see, excuse the babies in the background, I've got a lot of people, which is why I really need a good mop. You'll see as I use it, it's easy to get around corners and things, which I really like. It can be dry or wet mop, which is great. So here we go. It's swivel head. You can see right now I'm just using it as the dry component, but I'm going to show how it goes under this chair, through, around the legs, gets all the areas. The mop came with an additional mop head, which is great, so it comes with 2, and you can see the pile. I just did that little area, which I do every day after we eat, so I picked up a lot of dirt and mess. Here's a bonus. It's really easy to detach and attach and throw it in the washing machine. You just press this button, it collapses, and you take it off. Super easy, super inexpensive, really good value for the money, and I highly recommend.